watch for the flashing lights. Stop and go, stop and go. On to school, but stay in slow and steady. Up, around and down. Stop and go and round and round.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Let's see who's on the bus today. I see Cookie Monster and Elmo. Open the door. Hello. I see something else on the bus.
Everyone sit down. Let's go to school.
It's Cookie Monster's day for show and tell, and he has a ball fidget toy. There are little colored balls inside the big ball, and we need to match the smaller balls to go inside the pentagon shape. See, it has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that makes it a pentagon. Let's use Mr. Pointer. This yellow ball goes here. Let's give it a push. And then it slides underneath. And now it's in the right spot. Now we have the darker green. Do you see the darker green ball? There it is. And push. And now the orange. And what's this, tiny fans? Black. Do you see the black ball somewhere? Here it is. And next we go to the bright pink. Push. Almost. Now for the light purple. And now the light green. And this looks like a plum purple. Almost done. Good job. Now for dark blue. Do you see the dark blue ball? Right here. We're almost there. We have 2 balls left to move. The red one and the blue one. Blue and red, just like Elmo. Here's the light blue, which means the white space is left empty because there is no white ball. Let's see if it rolls. Whoa, don't roll off the table. Thanks for your help today. Have fun at show and tell, Cookie Monster. Before we say goodbye, do you remember which Disney character was the bus driver in this video? If not, you can go back and have a look. Goodbye!